Hey everyone, today we're gonna make a turkey, butter, garlic, parmesan chicken. So let's get started. So I have a little glass bowl here. I have about 1 stick of unsalted butter. Next, about a tablespoon of black pepper. Next, 4 tablespoons of smoked paprika. It gives you a little smoky kick, if you know what I mean. 2 tablespoons of salt. 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, and 4 garlic cloves. Next, you're going to take a fork and just mash all these ingredients together. Just blend them. You know what I mean? Just blend them all together. This takes about 2 minutes. It's a little messy. It's fine. Just, do as fast as possible. Next, I'm going to have this rack. You see how I poked 2 holes? I don't like the chicken to be in the pan. I like to be elevated about 1 inch so it stays more crispy. I don't like it to get soggy in the oven. Next, 1 whole chicken. In a bowl, I have tomatoes, apples, onion. And if you don't have an onion, if you don't have an apple, you use a lemon, and a tomato is best too. But next you're gonna need, put these ingredients inside the chicken. It's just gonna make it more flavorful. Then you're gonna take all these veggies, like the tomato, put it in there. A little small baby onion. Okay, that was a little difficult. Some apples. I had it laying around, and the last thing here is, I guess, more apples. I thought I had a lemon, but I didn't. But improvise with apples. Next, we're gonna take that mixture of parsley, butter, and garlic. You're gonna stuff it into the chicken, but make sure you don't rip the skin, because you want to contain all those juices and all those spices within this masterpiece, if you know what I mean. See, I'm just slowly loosening up the skin so I can get that mixture into there. Now this is the messy part. Just grab a handful, get it in there, massage it in, and you can kind of do one on one side. We're gonna get the other side, get it deep so it gets all over, and we're gonna repeat. We're gonna do it again to the left side, another handful like that. I guess if you're measuring, it's like, I don't know, 2 spoons per side, something like that. Now we're just gonna glaze this entire chicken with this mixture so it can get nice and crispy, golden brown, and soak in all those spices, the garlic, the parsley, the butter, the smoked paprika. And make sure you don't forget the legs. Get it all around the back, the front. It's a little messy, but in the end, when it's done, even this little wing piece that no one likes, don't forget, even get that piece right there. There you go, get it all. And I'm just gonna take 2, some of the vegetables fell out the back, so I'm just gonna stuff them back in, get those apples back in there. There you go. Now I'm gonna take a toothpick to kind of shut, the back part, to keep all those juices in there, so it's just nice and juicy and doesn't dry out, because no one likes dry chicken. And it takes about 2 toothpicks, so 1 on the top, and I kind of stick it through, kind of like you're sewing a jacket, if you know what I mean. If you've never sewed a jacket, well, trial and error. Okay, that's done. Or you can get like some cooking string and just tie the 2 legs together. That's another way you can do it. Whatever works best for you. I'm cooking it at 375. I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes. Just get it crispy. Then what I'm gonna do is, in 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back, and this is what it looks like in 10 minutes. And I'm gonna put some tin foil on top. Oh yeah, put out a half a cup of water too on the bottom. So when the butter drips to the bottom, it all kind of stays juicy. Okay, there's the tin foil. There we go. Push it back in. I'm going to cook this for about an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, goodbye. Look at that. Shut the oven. I know I need to clean the oven, but don't worry about that. There you go. This is an hour and 20 minutes later. We did 10 minutes with no and 20 minutes with. And there we go, everyone. Garlic, butter, parsley, chicken. Look how juicy that is. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Another angle right here. Cut it from the side. You see that? That's perfect. Nice and juicy. Remember, everyone, 10 minutes in the oven, an hour, 20 minutes. Have a great night. Take care.